What's up guys? Et oui les amis, today the dream is finally coming true. Today we are visiting my typical French apartment because so many of you have asked for it. Let's do this! Oh, come on Napoleon, I told you to not get outside. Oh, get into my pocket. You will get eaten by doing that. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, we are inside. Let me introduce you to my living room. This is the center of my typical French apartment. As you can see, the first thing that you find when you enter my house is this French flag. This is to remind myself that I'm a true patriot. À nos enfants de la patrie, le jour de gloire est arrivé. This is like a ritual. I cannot enter my house without singing our anthem. Okay, let's go to the next thing. So this is the second thing that you can find in my typical French apartment. This is a beautiful baguette bouquet. It's like a flower bouquet but with baguettes. Because we French worship them. They are like handmade gods to us. Oui! Which is why you can find those everywhere in my typical French apartment and in every single typical French apartment. As this is my breakfast table, you can see, of course, a beautiful red wine. This is un Château La Lagune 2004. Smell that. No, I'm kidding. I know you can't smell it, but... Ces arômes, ce terroir, la forêt. This is the perfect red wine to go with a typical French breakfast. And talking about typical French breakfast, of course, you can't have one without a perfectly cooked croissant. I mean, it wouldn't be French without that. Duh. Okay, the third thing that you can find in my typical French apartment are those two screens. And I'm really proud of those because they are both playing at the same time, but with a really small delay to make sure that I don't miss anything, the Coupe du Monde 98. Et 1, et 2, et 3, 0! On est les champions! On est les champions! On est les champions! That was a real moment of sport. That was a true period of French history that needs to be written in books. And sometimes I even play to the PS1 so that I can play to FIFA 98, PES 98, so I can play the France team with like the real players like Zinedine Zidane, Fabien Barthez, and yeah. Okay, now let's go to the last point of my living room, which are my pieces of art. So I have two pieces of art in my living room. The first one is this one. This is my true masterpiece because yes, I'm the one who painted them. I mean, you know, I am French, so we do this kind of thing. And it's inspired by the perfectly cooked baguette that my baker did. And I mean, when I saw his baguettes, I fell in love. I had to paint them. The second one is actually also coming from my baker, and it's his perfectly cooked croissant. I mean, when I saw them, I was like so amazed that I couldn't eat them and I had to immortalize them before. Those pieces of art are the ones that are tying my living room together. Okay, now let's go to the kitchen. Oh no! I forgot about Napoleon! We need to go to the bathroom! Let's go! Okay, we are in the bathroom, and as you can see, I changed the shower into a snailarium. It is like an aquarium, but for snails. I mean, it was a useless place. I'm French, I don't take showers. So, can you give me a minute, please? Napoleon, stay there this time, man. Oh, Patrick! Get down. Oh, tu te calmes, Michel! Kids, real pain in the ass. Anyway, let's go to the next part of the bathroom, shall we? So, this is the most important part of my bathroom. The first thing I want to show you is my perfect razor blade. This is thanks to that the magic happens and I keep my mustache clean. Also, here are all my perfumes, one per day of the month. That's the reason why I don't have to take shower. Because we didn't take shower, we created perfumes. And because we use perfumes, we don't have to take showers anymore. Win-win solution! Or should I say, oui-oui solution. And of course, my red bottle of wine to gargle and keep my breath fresh. Okay, let's go to the kitchen now. So here it is, we are in the kitchen, the heart of my typical French apartment. Because you know, oui, French cuisine, shabadabada. And you arrived just at the right time because I was punishing my kids, I mean cooking. Napoléon, t'es le prochain si tu ressors. So, for this recipe, you need a oignon. Yes, I'm saying a oignon and not an onion because the French Academy has decided that we could use the orthograph of onion. They are killing the French language. I'm not happy with that. Then you need a baguette because this is the soul of every French recipe. Third point, you need some red wine. This is un Château Talbot 98. Amazing! If you have a wine that good, your recipe will be perfect. But you will not, because you're not French. So use an imperial wine and kill my recipe. Anyway, then you need to have some kids, I mean snails. So, put all the snails into the water. Make them boil until they scream. Until they are cooked perfectly. Then you just put them into the wok, you add the oignon, the bread and the wine. You make everything come back and then you can even add a bit of butter and of garlic and it will be perfect. In other words, French. But I will not show you everything because it takes a long time and we don't have that time. So let's go back to the visit, okay? Let's go to the bedroom, shall we? Pardon? I mean, you know, we are sexy and everything, so it's kind of part of our culture, but keep up the good work and think about it! Let's go to the last place of the apartment instead, okay? Let me show you my sacred place, the shrine to François le Français. Welcome to the Holy of Holies, the Grail of the Grails, my shrine. To not forget my roots, Oh no! I lost my French accent! That can't be! I need to pray! Oh... Oui! Donne-moi la force, François! Non! Rien de rien! Non! Je ne regrette rien! I need to... My French accent! It came back! Thank you, François! Thank you! That was a close call this time. Thank you, my God. Putain! And this is the end of my typical French apartment tour and yes, that's a girl shirt, I didn't find a boy's one. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to put a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to my channel. Go follow me on all my social medias because there I'm 100% French. You can also support me on Patreon so I'll be able to provide a better life to my snails. And no matter what happens, I will see you in my next video. Have an amazing, wonderful day. Don't forget to smile and bye bye!